Raniem and my favorite color is pink. There are 5 members in my family and my background country is Syria. I come to Girl Circle because I like seeing different girls and meeting new friends and also sharing my ideas and what I'm good at.
I got 1 son and I got 3 grandchildren, 3 boys.
My name is Nazmi Aksayoğlu. I come from Turkey.
In Bansian Garden, every Friday I'm cooking, 5 girls together. I'm very happy.
We have quite a few ladies, between 30 to 50 or sometime more.
Every week I'm cooking, just to make happy people.
Today we're making ice cream.
Ice cream. We're going to cook the Turkish women ice cream and I'm going to decorate it with lots of sprinkles and nice things and different flavors.
It's like
It's so healthy and then it tastes so good.
and it's fruit.
It tastes the sugar. You can taste the...
And it's like the blueberries and the strawberry. It just hits the flavor. I think the older people communicate in a different way how the younger people communicate, because in the olden days there weren't any phones or technology, so they just go in the streets and when they see each other they talk to each other and they go to each other's houses.
Stick your head in it.
Okay.
I don't know. That's the spoon, not your head.
It's gonna be different. Yeah, I haven't seen them anymore. Maybe I saw them, but I don't know. It's gonna be nice to know each other. This morning, Adnan sent us from the Banksia little garden.
And I put the rice, onions, tomato, and oil, green pepper. I'm full up cooking. I eat to you. I think girls will like it. Turkish fruit, nice.
I think they're gonna be kind and sensible, and they remind me of my grandparents and how they look the same as my grandparents, because most old people look the same.
Hello guys.
Good.
Selamünaleyküm. Turkish börek.
You wanna try? Cabbage leaves and stuffed with some.
Buradan börek.
When did you start cooking? What age?
After marriage.
After this.
18 years old and start cooking. When you grow up, you do the same.
Every single different person has to have their own culture, and because if we're all the same then nothing's going to be interesting, so it's better when other people have their own culture and then we share it.
It's very nice. Looks delicious.
Thank you. Very nice friends. Nice cake, everybody. I'm happy. Doesn't matter young, old, not different for me.
Younger people can communicate to each other better, because adults, they don't really like sitting with kids because they're not the same age. Thank you for having us today. We really liked it. This is a card from all of us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.